Tired of paying for shipping and missing out on great entertainment? Let's unlock the world of Amazon Prime benefits with a 30-day free trial. First, head over to the Amazon website. You'll see a prominent banner advertising the free trial. Look for wording like Try Prime or Start your 30-day free trial. If you already have an Amazon account, click on the Sign In button. If not, select Create your Amazon account and follow the prompts to set one up. On the Sign Up page, you'll be asked to enter your payment information. Don't worry, you won't be charged until the trial ends. This is just to ensure a seamless transition if you decide to continue your membership. Once you're signed up, explore all the Prime perks. Enjoy free and fast shipping on eligible items. Stream thousands of movies and TV shows with Prime Video. You can listen to millions of songs with Prime Music Plus. Snag exclusive deals and discounts available only to Prime members. Set a reminder for yourself to evaluate the service before the trial ends. You can easily cancel your membership in your account settings if you decide it's not for you. Enjoy your free trial.